Okay, well that does not look good. It already rained a little bit this morning, but it looks like we're getting a whole bunch more. That is one dark cloud over there. Or dark cloud, I should say, dark sky. Look at the birdie. You go ahead there, Mr. Bird. So it's gotten darker since that last video. I know it's hard to tell because the camera kind of brightens up everything, but it is dark. It's 8 o'clock in the morning and it looks like nighttime out here. I see a bad storm coming my way. Does not look good.
It does look pretty dang good. Like, get the ball more.
That is some strong wind. Hard to see on camera, but trust me, it is blowing pretty good.
But anyways, yeah, the Chiefs, the defending Super Bowl champs, they lost to the Lions and Bears. I was on the Lions hype train.
I think I'm gonna wait a bit. Man. Lightning popping all around me here. Yeah, I think I'll wait a few more minutes.
Well, with football, I see football here. Did you feel like the game last night was straight up like everything was about gambling? Oh, dude, I was
All right, we have made it to Searcy, Arkansas. I guess that's how you say that. This is a Sam's Club DC, which is basically Walmart. In fact, it says Walmart right there on that building. But we just dropped our loaded trailer, so now we got to go down here to the end of the property and locate an empty trailer. And then we are off to Byhala, Mississippi to pick up our next load, which hopefully will be ready by the time that I get there. Load assignment says it won't be ready until 4 o'clock. You can go ahead, sir. Load assignment says it'll be ready at 4 o'clock. And I'm probably going to be there about, I don't know, 2:30 or something like that. So I'm hoping it'll be ready when I get there. But with my luck, probably not. Let's see. Is there one down here? Yeah, there's two actually. Okay. Well, let's go get one of these. Actually 3. There's another one. Alright, so I'll just take the easiest one to get to, which will be this one right here. Are you? Yeah, you're empty. Oh, man. So it's been a hectic week. The holiday on Monday kind of screwed me up, so let's see, where was I at? I was in where was I at? Springfield, Missouri. That's where we dropped. And then I just got to make sure these, I got to leave the doors open when I leave out the gate, so I just want to make sure they're secured. Yeah, left Springfield Went to Joplin at the CFI yard and picked up a loaded trailer there, a relay, and took that down to Clarksville, Arkansas, and that was Sunday. And delivered that. They didn't have anything, so I went to the Loves, which was just a few miles up the road from where I delivered, and then sat there. Let's see, I got there at about 4:30 Sunday afternoon. Did not get my next load until about 4:30 Tuesday afternoon. So I sat there for right at 48 hours. And that light has went out again. That's the 4th time. But they got me a load out of not Russellville, what was it, Little Rock, Arkansas. But it didn't pick up until Wednesday. So I needed a shower, and I didn't have any coupons at the Loves, so I went down the road to Russellville and stopped at the Flying J down there. Spent the night there, got a shower, got fuel the next morning, and that's where you see, if you watch my asshat video, I tried to get DEF, and the hose was separated from the handle, so I couldn't get no DEF, but that was Wednesday morning. So I left Russellville, went down to Little Rock, got that load. That went to Hutchinson, Texas, which is south of Dallas. Got that off on Thursday, and then from there I went down to Corsicana, I think it's called, excuse me, in Texas. Corsicana, Texas. Picked up a load there, which is the load that I just delivered here in Searcy, Arkansas. Now I'm trying to get home this weekend. I put in to be home Saturday and Sunday, and they didn't have, apparently they did not have any load out of Texas going to, you know, Georgia or South Carolina or anything. So instead they had me pick up that load in Arkansas, in Little Rock, bring that down to Texas, pick up another load in Texas, bring that up here, and then from here I'm going to go to Valhalla, Mississippi, which is Memphis, pick up a load there. I'll pick that up this afternoon. I drop that in Noonan, Georgia on Saturday, and then I pick up another load in Noonan, Georgia at the same place that I'm delivering to, and I will take that load to the Walmart in Pageland, South Carolina for a Sunday morning delivery. Then I get to go home from there. So it'll be sometime probably Sunday afternoon before I get home. So at least they're trying to get me home. I just wish, let me make sure that tandem's locked in. They're trying to get me home, but I don't know, I just find it hard to believe that they don't have anything out of Texas going, you know, back to South Carolina or North Carolina or Florida or anywhere. Just, well, we got loads, but we're gonna have to zigzag you back to the house, and you're not gonna get home Saturday. You'll get home, you know, Sunday. But I don't know. That's the way it is here. That's the way it is everywhere, I guess. So, all right, well, let's get this trailer and get out of here. In fact, I gotta find a route over to Valhalla, because there's no easy way to get over there. All right, let me do this paperwork right quick and I'll be right back with you. Okay. So I've just been informed that they are picking up my load in Valhalla and bringing it back to the Olive Branch terminal, and it won't be there until 5 o'clock this evening, which means I got 5 hours to kill. Oh man, well, I was kind of hoping that thing would have been ready at, 2 o'clock or something, but nope, it won't be ready until 5. But that's the way it goes in the trucking business. So I can just pretty much lollygag my way over to Olive Branch. No need to get in a hurry. Got plenty of time. Alright, we're gonna take a little detour. So I have taken the long way to Olive Branch on purpose so that I can stop down here at Nick's Barbecue and Catfish, because I always try to stop here when I'm down this way. Excellent barbecue.
Turn left, then take
You can see the parking lot is packed full. Let's see. There's usually more trucks in here than this, I guess because it's a Friday. Most drivers are on their way home.
Turn left on West 10th Street.
Just more room for us to park. See, I got plenty of time to get to Olive Branch. Load won't be there until around 5 anyway, so got more than enough time to stop. Of course, I am out of route, but I really don't care. I'm going in here to get me some barbecue. There we go. Nick's Barbecue and Catfish. Alright. Oh, traffic, traffic, traffic. So we're like right around the corner from the terminal, but we can't get there because there's too much traffic. Oh, so Heartland sent me a message that the load is actually ready and it is sitting on the yard, but I don't know if it will help me to hook up to it and turn around and head out, or if I should spend the night here. Again, I don't have to be in Noonan, Georgia until 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. So that gives me plenty of time. I can, oh, that's bouncy. I can get up early in the morning and be over there. Well, I mean, I don't have to be there at 11. It's a preloaded trailer that will be ready at 11, so I can get it any time. And again, that load goes to Walmart in Pageland, South Carolina, but I can't deliver that until at least midnight Sunday.
Turn left, then take the first left.
I guess I can drop the empty trailer anywhere.
Turn left, then take the second right.
Let's see. stays closed.
Turn left, then take the second
Doesn't
right.
matter anyway, they're not all that great. And it looks like the shop is closed. It's not even 4 o'clock yet.
Turn left.
Garmin, hush yourself. Is there a spot over there? Yes, there is. Okay, I'll just make it easy on myself and drop it right there on the end. Yep, looks good to me. So I think loaded trailers are being dropped up against the building there. I think that's what they do, because they do that up in Carlisle, PA as well.
Turn left on
Not to say that all these trailers that are not at the dock are empty, but I don't think it matters. They don't have any signs up that says drop empties here, so we're just going to put it wherever it fits. And it fits perfectly right here. All right. Nice big open space here. Sit and watch TV and tables to eat on. Goodies. Ooh, they got coffee in there. Hell yeah. Ice sink. Keurig. Coffee. Oh shit. Okay, so there was people in the bathroom, but there are showers in the bathroom, at least in the men's. I'm sure there's showers in the women's bathroom as well, but like I said, there was people in there, so I didn't want to turn the camera on while I was in there, but trust me, they're there. There's the shop. Wash bay there on the corner that's closed. As usual, fuel pumps. Actually, let me go see if the shop is open. Yeah, I've seen a couple of cars in front of the shop, assuming maybe there was still somebody in there, but it's all locked up. I'm gonna just try to get my tail light on my tractor fixed again for the 4th time. They will not replace it. They keep trying to put the wires back together, and the wires are all corroded, but they won't replace it. Don't know why, but they won't. All right, so thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.